Why is it smoking?
It's got a thing in the bottom.
Hey, can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels and wishing on stars. We'll find each other no matter how far, 'cause 5,000 miles is breaking my heart.
Welcome to Little Havana. It's in Miami, Florida. All right, we're in Little Havana today, giving you a tour and some of the other highlights of Miami. Let's just get into this tour and check out Little Havana. Now, if you're coming into Miami by a cruise ship like we are today, they have all kinds of tours to get to Little Havana.
Coming up on your left, fun fact, this marina is where Sonny Crockett lived in the hit show Miami Vice.
They will even drop you off at the airport afterwards.
How was the cruise? Good. Anything exciting happen?
Usually the bus stops will stop up Miami Beach, Little Havana, and Wynwood. Don't miss Wynwood. I got a whole video on that place. It's fantastic.
Welcome to Ocean Drive, folks. Fun fact, I don't know if you saw, but there was a guy roller skating just past us. I have to tell you this, it's crazy. I have been a tour guide almost 8 years. Okay, I've been on the street a lot. And I have seen that guy every time, the same time, same outfit is what I'm worried about for like 8 years.
And if you're just visiting Miami, you're spending the day, I have all kinds of tours on our Viator page of Little Havana. There's walking tours, food tours, bar crawls, anything you want in Little Havana.
Like over a million iguana hanging out on the beach, tax-free. This isn't the Geico lizard.
But this video's about Havana in Florida. Let's get off this bus because I need some Cuban coffee and a mojito.
2 words to change your life. Mango mojito. Okay, I consider myself somewhat of a mojito connoisseur. Some would say alcoholic.
Oh, there's the coffee. They got free samples here. All right, this is the restaurant I was telling you about. This is where we got our free coffee sample. But apparently, they got great Cuban sandwiches.
Coffee?
Yeah. This is the free sample that comes on this tour. All right, my wife got the sample of this Cuban coffee. She's a coffee drinker.
It's really good.
Really good?
Yeah, really good.
All right, this is a great place to come, this restaurant, because they got coffee on this tour. Cuban mojitos, Little Havana. That's what we're gonna do today. Take you a tour through town. And we'll be getting one of those mojitos, I know that. All right, look at these drinks these guys got. I see mojitos. What's that one? A margarita. That looks crazy good. Enjoy. All right, there it is. That's a smoky mojito. All right, there's the classic mojito, hun.
Yeah.
It's still smoking. It looks like it's got mint in there. I see the Cuban flag. How is that?
Amazing.
Why is it smoking?
It's got a thing in the bottom.
Dry ice?
I don't know. It's really good.
That is very good. And our tour guide said, you haven't had a mojito until you had one in Havana. And that's what we did. We got one and our sandwich is coming. I can't wait to see that. All right, there's the Cuban sandwich. What kind did you get?
Just the classic Cuban.
Classic Cuban. I don't know what's in there, but go ahead, taste that thing. And you
Oh my
take the
gosh.
big one.
Oh my gosh.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
That is a classic Cuban sandwich. It smells amazing. I wish you could see it.
You don't need to see it, but if you could smell it and taste it.
Oh, that is incredible.
I know.
Best Cuban ever, I can tell you that. This must be like the Cuban famous people here along Little Havana. There's the Little Havana Welcome Center, but we're just gonna walk up the street and just kind of give you a little bit of a tour here of what Little Havana is like and what to expect when you get here. All right, this is cool. This is Park and Recs, but you got all these Cuban people in here just playing dominoes. This looks like fun. This looks like the hangout. It is a beautiful little town or street. This is one of the main streets here. Let's get back out. Let these guys to their game. This is the El Taquerito, but I love these frogs. And look at the sitting area they got in the back here. Churro mania. Here's the history of the churro. I'm not going to sit here and read it. You'll be bored. All right, we just got one of these. They got stuff. They got all kinds. They got dip. Oh, that one looks good. I didn't see that one. Looks like it's filled with ice cream. All right, we just got the churro. My wife never had a churro before. And no comments on this, please. How is that? It was cinnamon stuffed with leche and chocolate on the side. That looks good, hon. All right, there's one of the little Havana cigar factories, but I think there's another one up here. Cali 8 Little Havana, Miami. So this is an old style theater here, but let's just keep going up this main street in Little Havana.
The guy
Look at
that
all the
actually
Havana hats.
Look how big
You know you're in Cuba when you see this. All these different colors here. I love this. I need to get one of these. All right, if I'm messing up these names, forgive me, but this says La Colada. It's the house of Cuban coffee. Look at all these little coffee pots, grinders, I guess. Here's the cigar factory. This is where the tour guide said to come. Authentic stuff. And you can just come in here and browse, and they actually will be rolling them back here. These are already cigars that he's rolled back here, and now he's pressing them. Now, one thing our tour guide did say is apparently this is original Cuban cigars. 95% of the ones you see sold in other places are fake. This is the only place you can get a real Cuban, apparently. I don't know nothing about him. I think he's getting ready to roll one. That looks like the raw tobacco. Here he's getting ready to roll one, I guess. So is that just like the outside of the cigar? That looks like he's putting a tip on there, the end piece. I didn't realize there were so many parts to this thing. So there you go. That's one down. I think he's just doing like the outside casing of these. He's already pressed ones, which was back there in that press.
The flavored ones. So we have mocha latte, strawberry, pina colada, macadamian, creme brulee, and cherries jubilee.
I don't know if somebody that's a real Cuban smoker wants flavored cigars.
Oh, it smells really good, especially the cherry.
Look, there's a Salt Life sign. You can walk right in here and smoke away. All right, here's a place that actually has coffee and some drinks. And of course, you gotta get a Cuban sandwich here. Now, one thing you will see is these roosters all over the place. Beautiful artwork, though. All right, here's a little Havana visitor center. Let's just walk in there and see what that is. Oh, it's like a gift store. Oh, this is cool. Look at all these little things. I'm gonna tell you one thing. There is no shortage of Cuban hats. I got one at home, or I'd be buying one, I think, because I do love them. Right here, they're making coffee right in this little back of the visitor center store. This one, he said, it's got a little cream in it. That one's pretty good, too. Oh, he said it's the foam on top. Now, one thing about Cuban coffee, you don't drink a lot of it. You order it and it's going to come in a small cup. All right, that was the visitor center. Let's keep going down some of these streets because there's a lot to see. Now, this place apparently is just getting started here. Beauty salon. And make sure you're looking up. This is just beautiful. It's a pizzeria. All right, only in Havana. Tacos, antojitos, beer, marijuana. We have 3 of the 4. Come on in. This looks like a cool little place. It says it's like a sports lounge place. They got some outdoor seating. Getting set up for the day. Looks like they got a hop on, hop off trolley that goes through town here. All right, this is Caliocho Street apparently. There's another chicken. Our tour guy said most of this stuff in between Little Havana is stay between 10th and 7th. And 8th apparently is where the main drag is. Oh my God, look at this. Sugar Poppy? It looks like it's a candy store, but I love their mural here. I'll tell you one thing, it seems like every street I go down, there's more murals. This place is a very colorful town. Little Havana, more murals. Beautiful. All right, here's Frederico's Cigar Factory. And look at all this. There's a Cubato. There's Mr. Cigars. Look at that building, that Ciao Bella restaurant pizzeria. It's just beautiful colors. Look at that mural. No shortage of Cuban wear. Look at those dresses.
Feel how nice that material is.
Yeah.
Like, that is nice.
There's Top Cigars. I tell you one thing, I do like the architecture here. I just think it's beautiful as you're walking down the streets. You got restaurants like this just sitting out, waiting for somebody to have lunch. There's a welcome to Miami sign. There's the Ball and Chain Bar and Lounge. We're on a whirlwind tour here in Miami at Little Havana. Look at the palms here. It is a beautiful little town. All right, and you gotta walk in this restaurant here because it's fabulous. Cuba Avera. It's another gift store right along the main road. I think it's 8th Avenue. That's where you want to be. Honey, give that rooster a kiss. Everybody knows that Cuba is famous for their cars. I don't know what this is. Gay Ocho? Havana collection? Oh, this is the cars, hon. And guess what? They got a museum here to go through. And we're going through it. All right, when you come in the main entrance here, you see my way. But then look back here. This is what Cuba is all about. But we're in Miami. Look at the cars they got. This is awesome. Great photo opportunity here. And they got more roosters in here. Oh, look at this car back here. This looks like a 56 Chevy. Classic Cuba. Guavabara, capital of the world. And this museum is beautiful inside. Lots of architecture. They got a second level up here. Let's see what's up here real quick. Oh, lots of Cuban stuff to buy in here. This is really neat. This is cool. Oh, look. Cuba, I guess, makes alcohol. And this is how Little Havana got started. Basically, there was an export of Cubans from Cuba, as you can see from this picture. And this is what Cuba's about. You got cigars, you got their alcohol, you got their flag over here. You see some jewelry, and don't forget the hats. Textile section. Guess this is to fix your hat up the way you want it. This is a lot of what you're going to see in a museum. Great hats. If you want a hat, come in here. You want to see some classic cars. It's not like the real Cuba, but you get to experience these things. Party We Bakery? Oh, we got to go over there. Oh my God, I got to go in here. This bakery. Wait till you see this place. OMG. Look at this. If you want desserts, this looks incredible. There's Cuban sandwiches. I guess they grill them up to order. You get a whole cake in here. And they're just making it all right back in this little bakery.